Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to fix Snapchat connection error, could not log out on Android. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you're not able to log out from Snapchat, you should check and reconnect to your network. For this, try some tips like turn off and turn on the mobile data. Switch from mobile data to the Wi-Fi connection. Enable and disable the airplane mode. Snapchat has an option to clear the app cache, which is very useful to resolve the app-related problems. You can try it to fix this error. To do this, open the Snapchat app and go to your profile. Choose Settings, click on the Clear Cache under Accounts Actions. At this time, tap on Continue option to confirm clearing the cache. The next solution you can try is force stopping the Snapchat app on your Android device. For this, go to Settings, Apps, or App Manager. Find Snapchat. Tap Force Stop. After some time, open the app and try to log out. The connection error might appear if some services are temporarily under maintenance. In that case, wait for the server to come back online. However, you can check the Snapchat server status by visiting. If the server is showing up there, then try the next solution. Using an outdated Snapchat app can cause could not log out please try again error. To fix this, check and install the latest updates. To do so, you have to open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Update section, find the Snapchat and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. The next solution you can try is to contact Snapchat support team. For this, you have to go to Snapchat's official website. You will now see the option to submit a request. Select the reason I can't access my account. On the next page, you will have to select I see an error message when I log in. You will now be asked still need help. You have to click on yes. You will now have to fill out the request form. Enter the factual details of the issue in this form. If you have a screenshot of the error, you can also add that. Once you have filled in the details of the form, tap on Submit. They will respond shortly. So, this is all about how to fix Snapchat connection error could not log out please try again. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.
Thanks for watching.